guide you to repost Instagram post. So let's hop into Instagram. So if you need to repost your self Instagram post, you can tap on profile. There you can select any of the posts. Let's say I'm selecting this. I can tap on three lines. There I could find save option here, but I can create reel from this post. So I can tap on that. So let's say I can tap on next. So again, I tap on next, and this is the new way that you can post your photos as videos on Instagram by using the audio. This is a way that you can repost Instagram post. The second way is that you can go to some others Instagram profiles. Let's say now I like that. Now I can scroll to find download icon. So if download is not there, I can share it to my WhatsApp. I can add it to my story. So if you need to repost that, you can add to the story, and you can tap on your story, and that will be shared to your story. Let's say if I need to post this, now I need to screenshot this, and I can crop that image, and I need to repost it again. So this is how you can repost Instagram post. Thank you.